Ay, wala magtatago. Wagi-wagi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Game na.
Barbie!
Game na.
Yeah.
Bakit tumatama? Siya kasi tuloy pag-ibig na. Ako ba ang pinarama? Feels so good. No matter what's in my life, wala kang nakikita. Wala nang pag-ibig na. Feels like someone else you do. You sweat my heart. Can't wait to go back with you. Satisfied, I know you know.
Sinisigaw! Oh. Dobing allowance mo. Sige. Umalis ka. O, dali. Dali na.
Doble, doble. Doble, ha?
Ito yan. Ito yan. Oo. Sige.
Pares dito, ha?
Nakikita na namin yung sagot! Nakikita na namin yung sagot! And everything's fine. A gentle breeze, the city's slow. I take a seat, let the moment flow. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. I stir it full, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours, I feel at ease. Like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, the sun slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me. Like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light in the sun. everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just